Hi everyone, it's Stephen from BookingHub, and I'm really excited to announce that we have released a new version of our mobile application. This new release comes with a new enhanced design and a couple of new features that will allow your workforce members to take full control of their mobile schedule, allowing them to now be able to add and create new customers and the ability for them to add new bookings at the same time. On your screen, you will see a version of the updated mobile application, and I'm just going to give you a quick run through of how you can actually start using these enhancing features now after updating the mobile application. The mobile application has been taken on as a new name. As I mentioned in our previous newsletter, we rebranded our name to BookingHub.ai. So the new mobile application is now called BookingHub AI. You will be able to update your new application in the iOS store, the Google Play Store. However, if you already have the mobile application downloaded, you won't have to do anything. It should update automatically. Now, on the main screen, as you can see here, I do have my phone, so I'll take you through this now. We have updated the new designs and how you're able to view your schedule, whether that's on a daily basis, a weekly basis, or a monthly basis. You will be able to see at the top, you can change the schedule for the time of day here. You're going to be able to see your total travel time, your unbooked time, and if you have any cancelled bookings. Now, this is completely reactive to the admin dashboard, so if anything changes, if any advisor in the office has to change, cancel, modify anything, the workforce resource will receive a real-time notification informing them. However, they can go to the bottom to see all of the new notifications or updates if anything has changed. We will be able to see our current booking, our next booking, and our up-and-coming bookings. So if I simply select my current booking, I will be able to see exactly where I need to go, the type of service, and if there's any notes attached to that, or if there's any files that I need to upload during the service. The main changes come from how we start interacting with our customers. So as you can see at the bottom, we have added a customers page, and here we'll be able to see all the different customers we interact with. Now, depending on admin preference, we can show resources all customers, or we can simply show them those customers that they have had an interaction or will be having an interaction with in the near future. That's entirely up to you. You can contact us to be able to filter that out for you. Now, with this customers page, there's a couple of things we can do. With the button in the bottom right-hand corner, we can simply add a new customer straight away, or we can go into a customer, view customer, and see all the customer's booking details, up and coming or previous appointments, and the addresses attached to this customer. And here we can also add a booking directly on this customer. So what I'm going to do is add a new customer and take you through this process. I'll simply use my name and my email address to be able to start creating a customer. So let me just add this in here. And make sure. So company name, it is a optional field. We do not have to add this in. And I'll add my phone number in. And here, of course, to be able to run the algorithm, we search for a postcode. And I'll just use this one here. We can, if needed, modify any lines of the address, should we need to change it, and then we can select next. Now we've added a new customer. Similar to an existing customer, we can either save or close or simply save and add a booking. So what I'll do is I'll save and add a booking by clicking this button here. Now we've added the customer, we've started the new booking journey. Simply selecting next, I'll now be able to select the services I want to attach to this customer. We have a couple of test services here, so I'll use this one. If we do have any optional extras here, you will be able to add any optional extras. This will then, of course, modify the time so the algorithm runs correctly. It'll also allow you to update the pricing and see exactly the total price of the service with those optional extras added. We could also add another service if we wish to do so to create a multi-service booking. Select the payment status and select next. Now here's where we're going to be able to run the algorithm if we choose to do so. So we can simply select a date and then run the algorithm. And of course, the algorithm, one of the main selling points for BookingHub is that powerful algorithm to become more efficient, reduce travel time, save money, and of course, add additional bookings per day. We've made sure that this works completely within the application, so you don't have to think you're creating any inefficiencies. The complete opposite, we're going to help you do that for you to become more efficient. So I will select the eco slot, and of course we can add booking notes if we wish to do so, or a description, and I'll create the booking. Now, straight from the mobile application, I've been able to create a booking, I've been able to add a new customer, and this is great for resource workers on the go, should they be able to add a follow-up appointment. If a follow-up appointment is required after realizing they're not able to do the initial appointment completely, or if anything happens, they can add that in straight away. Also, if they're on the go and they have a potential customer that they've met in person, or whatever the case may be, they're able to take full control via the mobile application and add a customer there. So now we can see the customer I've added, it'll be on our customer list. And just as this example, you'll be able to view the customer, view up and coming or previous bookings. And then if you wanted to add a booking directly to this customer, then you'd simply select add booking. Furthermore, what we've done is we've updated the calendar. You can now have full control over your calendar. You can select different calendar dates if you wish to view what's happening on this day. You can scroll, of course, through all the different days that you have allocated to you. And within the calendar, you will also be able to see all the different appointments you have scheduled and the travel time in between to have full control of your calendar. Now, on the bottom right-hand corner here, we do also have a big plus button. So if we wish to add any time off or even add a booking directly from our calendar on a specific day, we could do so by selecting this button. We are really excited to bring you this new update. We think it's going to bring a lot of control and a lot of efficiency to your resource workers. And it's something that we've been working on for a long time. So we're really proud to have this out and about. It's an absolute pleasure to continue working with you all. If you do have any feedback, please let us know. And we can't wait to show you the next tandem of updates we're going to release. Speak to you soon. Thank you.